are here. This Italian restaurant. Look at that. It's very quaint. Very nice. It's called Sunset Pizza and Pasta. Right here.
Wow, you can actually sit and watch them cook.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And like, so great to watch them.
That's cool. Ooh, those look good.
Oh, nice and soft.
I'm doing some asparagus. And already cooked the chicken over here. We're having ourselves a good barbecuing time. Over here is the present that I got Erica. One of them, little poker chips. You can play blackjack and stuff like that. So, we are walking down the street because of something and somehow and stuff and things. But we are here at Edinger.
Someone needed our help today with their stuff in their apartment that they left for a while.
Oh, you're gonna just say it.
I didn't say anything about who or where.
Okay. So, we're being good friends.
And we are moving all their shit for them.
Yep.
So that they don't,
At least most
if they
of their
get
stuff.
evicted, they don't get all their stuff taken away, hopefully.
Alright, so today I am cleaning my room because apparently it needs to be cleaned. And part of that is getting rid of stuff from the past. So I'm going to get rid of some of these posters. But I'm going to record it because these are still good. Maybe I'll just donate this one. Sacrifice. I used to have all these posters in college. So there's a Spider-Man 2 one. That's what that looked like. I'm also a little bit of a sap, so I have this one hanging in my room. In my dorm room for like 3 years. It's like Italy poster. With the birds and everything. That. This one's actually a pretty nice one. It's an old painting. A lot of nature and waterfalls and stuff, but it's kind of ripped and tattered. I'm not sure if I want to keep it. Most of these things were like $10. So, if you see any of the videos of when I went to college, I definitely used a lot of posters to fill up any white on my walls. Remember this one? Kind of a cool design. It's really, really ripped. I don't even know if I want to donate this, but I probably will. Someone might appreciate it. Now this one I might keep because it's actually still in pretty good condition. And yeah, I really like the film, and I like this poster. This is kind of the same concept. I really like this one too. The first one, Lord of the Rings. I like this artwork a lot. And this, all of these posters used to be in my dorm room. I'll probably keep this too. I actually forgot about some of these. I actually might use some of these for the Oscar party. Why not? I put them up for one last time. Dries. And then finally, E.T. Very nice poster. Right there. Alright, I am cleaning everything right now. It looks a little better. I wanted to show off this. I got this at Epcot Center. back in October from Dinosaur. And it's the Time Rover. It's like a little remote control vehicle. I'm going to open it, but I love the box so much that I'm kind of a doofus. Gotta read this. Ready? Scientists from Dino Institute at Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park, in an attempt to prove a theory about extinction of dinosaurs, have developed a time-traveling machine called the Time Rover. This high-tech vehicle whisks its passengers back to the age of the dinosaur, just before the time when scientists believe a huge meteor crashed into the Earth, destroying much of the life and vegetation that existed. Guests journey on this thrilling adventure with twists and turns through a prehistoric jungle. Look at that. I'm going to open this now. I'm going to see how it works, but I just wanted to take a picture of the box. I'm going to talk about it a little bit. There's actually a lot of things that I got from Epcot. I'm actually taking this one back home. This big suitcase full of all kinds of stuff. This samurai thing that I got from Japan at Epcot. Really, really cool. I don't know why I brought it here. I kind of wanted to extend, like, the Epcot vibes, I guess, but never opened it. And that was about, gosh, October, November, like almost over 6 months ago. I guess it's time to, it really deserves to be back home, kind of on my Japanese shelf. That's where it's going to go. But this buddy, this is going to stay here because this is just too fun. Hey, how's it going? All right, as we walk and talk, so what was your honest opinion?
Can we take a shot of you with this pork rind?
I grabbed
that you grabbed from someone
pork
else's plate?
rind from someone else's plate. I just.
Let's get that on camera. Yeah. Josh is walking with the pork rind.
I'm
Someone
rining.
else's pork.
It's called rining.
Oh my gosh.
So.
Are you gonna eat it or just like walk?
I think I'll hold on to it for a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. But how was your opinion on Puesto opening night?
Oops. Okay. I thought it was really cool.
You thought it was good?
I had a good time. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
I enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the company, and the drinks were actually very good. I think the price was a little pricey.
It was a little steep.
Yeah, especially for the size of the drinks, because it was like a little coffee cup size mule. And it was like $15. So I think they need to improve on that. And the service was pretty good. Pretty good, except the last round of drinks we got took about 20 minutes, so that was not super cool. But it is their opening night, so I don't know why I'm wearing this. There's no one around. So yeah, other than that, overall, I give it probably a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is, compared to like a perfect Vegas restaurant, perfect service, food, atmosphere, that would be a 10.
Right.
So I'd give this a 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you. How was your experience?
So overall you gave it a 7.
Yes.
Okay. I would have to agree. It's a very generous 7 though.
Okay.
Because it was pretty pricey for
Right.
the quality the amount that you got.
Right.
The quality, it makes sense. But the quantity, you would have to almost order maybe a third or maybe 50% more at Puesto than you would at any other restaurant to get you to fill up.
Right.
At least as a guy, from a guy's perspective.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty expensive. I mean, when you're, and the options that you had on the menu,
Right.
was kind of limited, which was shocking to me because there was not really like, there was no burritos,
Right.
no quesadillas on the menu. It was basically just tacos, enchiladas, and then sides.
Right.
And that was it. So this could be like a specialty restaurant that's kind of positioned towards higher tier,
Tacos?
rich, the rich, basically, clientele. I don't know.
Okay.
I would have to rate it a generous 7 as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but on any other day, it would probably be like a 6 or lower, to be honest.
Right.
Just because it was it was $138 for the both of us.
Right.
And I felt like I had like 2 enchiladas and like a drink and like a bottle of wine, which is, you know, it's, I don't know, the bottle of wine might have went over a little bit.
Well, we do have leftover. We have about half a bottle and about half of an order of taquitos left.
Yeah.
So I'd say it was what? It's about 70 for each of us.
It's definitely a
So
restaurant.
it's not super.
It's definitely not a restaurant I would frequent.
Right. Not
It would
at
be
our
like,
level,
it
at
would be a
least.
restaurant that you would go for like birthdays
Right.
or something.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Agreed.
And they're
Yeah.
I'm Acura owner. You're gonna love